Hi, welcome to Lesson 4, Intentional Teaching. This week we have 3 assignments and we're always looking ahead to our philosophy statement that we are going to be turning in Lesson 7. So your professional philosophy statement. So let's get into the overview and learning materials. Get in here and look at our overview and our objectives for the week. Reading this week, we have 3 readings. And make sure that you're looking at the intentional framework. This is going to be used throughout the course, but make sure that you're also getting in here and looking at this intentional framework and what the expectations are. Viewings this week, we have 2 videos that you will be using. You will be using these articles and videos throughout your assignments. Make sure that you are looking at your assignments and viewing and reading all the content. In Yellow Dig this week, you will be posting as usual after watching this video and reading this document and this article. You will choose one document and post to Yellow Dig. So what you're going to do is you're going to think about, for this lesson's discussion, please share documentation from your teaching that is supportive to one of the goals. So remember that you put in your goal and we said, okay, think about your goals because you're going to be using one of those in lesson 4. Well, lesson 4 is here and this is when you're thinking about that. So you're going to be sharing documentation from your teaching that is supportive of one of your goals on your professional standards. After viewing the video and reading the article, you're going to choose one documentation to post. And in Yellow Dig, you're going to say, why is this important? What strategies did you find in the article interesting or in the video that you want to try and develop? If you are not currently teaching or volunteering, you can share one of your goals from lesson 2. What sort of documentation are you going to gather to demonstrate that professional development? Write up a brief explanation of how the documentation supports the NAEYC professional standards and practice. If you are currently teaching, identify one of your goals that is tied from lesson 2, share documentation that is reflective of your goal, and write up a brief explanation of how the documentation supports the NAEYC professional standards of practice. And you guys are all doing so great at Yellow Dig by now. You're really getting the hang of it. I love getting in there and seeing all your posts and your comments. You also have 2 assignments this week. So in this assignment, you're going to watch a video and reflect. So always get in and look at the rubric, And then you're going to be needing the intentional teaching in action and all of these different resources. So what you're going to do is you're going to review this content. So you're going to download the intentional teaching in action assignment template. You're going to view this video. And then you're going to rewatch the segment a second time to help you identify the intentional teaching strategies the teacher Lisa uses to support. After you do all of that, you're going to be filling out this template. And this is what the assignment is. You'll be filling out the intentional teaching in action template. So you'll be filling out each one of these. And please use the template to do this assignment. It just seems silly for you to remake something. As you might want to pause, you might want to rewatch the video, and then you'll be doing one more intentional teaching assignments. But this is an interaction plan. So here, you'll be reading an article, watching a video, and then you'll be doing this intentional interaction template, and that is what you'll submit. Please